everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Nikujaga. Nikujaga is Japanese-style beef and potato stew, one of the most classic Japanese home dishes. You just need to put everything in a pot and braise, so it's super easy to make. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this Nikujaga, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 300 grams of thinly sliced beef, any part you like, but it's thinly sliced. 1 onion, 1 carrot, 3 to 4 potatoes depending on the size. Shirataki noodles, some frozen green peas, 2 tablespoons each of sugar, sake and mirin, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. As always, I'm doing all the cutting first, so let's start with shirataki noodles. It's packed with some water, so let's drain and rinse under running water. Just rinse it. It's a bit long and difficult to eat, so let's cut it like this. So it's shorter and easier to eat. Put it back into the strainer. Let's peel the skin off all the vegetables. If you see any eyes like this, remove it using the heel of the knife. Onion into slices and carrot and potatoes into chunks. So let's cut it into half, then slices. Cut both ends off, then chunks. Potato, cut into half and half. I like to make the potato bigger than carrot like this. I'm not cutting beef because it's small already. But if you're using big slices, cut it into easy to eat size. All the ingredients are ready, so let's put them in the pot. Vegetables. On one side and shirataki noodles on the other side. hondashi, sugar, mirin, sake, and soy sauce. I'm not adding any water, so I'm cooking it with the moisture of the ingredients. Cover with the lid and bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, give it a quick mix. Try to mix the vegetables and shirataki noodles separately. Try not to mix them together. Put the lid back on. Turn the heat to medium-low and let it braise for 10 to 15 minutes until all the vegetables are well cooked. I braise it for 15 minutes and the toothpick can easily go through. So it's time to add the beef. Something in shirataki noodles makes the beef stiff. So let's put it away from shirataki noodles. I have shirataki noodles here and vegetables here. So let's put the beef on the other side of shirataki. Put the lid back on and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes until the beef is well cooked. Looks like beef is well cooked. Let's add green peas. Give it a mix. This time you can mix it all together. Kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve in the bowl here. And Nikujaga is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The beef is of course good, but the beauty of the dish is the potato. It soaked up the salty sweet broth and umami of the beef and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Nikujaga is the main, so let's put it here. I think I want to have a little more protein, so let's have egg miso soup here. Nikujaga contains a lot of vegetables, so So let's pass one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!